Probably if you came to this site is because your dog or your cat has been doing some accident on the Oriental rug or carpet, and you would like to know the best cleaning process in United States that can remove the urine odor permanently. Let me tell you about PetPeePee. My name is Mayor Martin, and I'm the owner and the inventor of the PetPeePee system. I built a machine, it's called PetPeePee, that's designed to clean Oriental rug, area rug, furniture, and drapery from dog and cat's urine odor. And this is the only service that we provide nationwide. Because we're dealing only with the urine odor, we become expert in a field urine odor removal. And we provide to our customers guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently without leaving any trace of urine odor, deodorize, or chemical smell that mask the urine odor for a short period of time. Let me explain to you how PetPeePee works. This is the Dead Sea Minerals. No soap, no deodorize. Organic cleaning product that don't deposit any odor in the fiber. The PetPeePee machine flood the rug on the top gently. Nobody touched the rug in the wet cleaning process. The blended minerals circulate the rug many times until the tube show us a clear path. Then we know the rug is free from the urine crystal. After this, we vacuum the rug by hand and we brush it gently. I doing all the job because I enjoy cleaning Oriental rug. This is my passion. I build a machine and I take a lot of pride of it. And when the job complete, take a look at this shine silk Oriental rug, $27,000. Then the big dog saturated with the urine odor and stain.